Are you ready to transform your life in just 8 weeks? Can you imagine running your first 5 kilometers without feeling out of breath? Today we will reveal the secret so that anyone, even if you've never run before, can achieve this goal. Why run? Because it is one of the most effective ways to improve your health, boost your energy, and feel incredible. But not only that, did you know that running can also improve your mood and reduce stress? Today I will guide you through an 8-week plan, step by step, so you can run your first 5 kilometers. We will start with walking, then introduce jogging, and before you know it, you'll be running like never before. So get ready, because your journey starts now. Week 1 to 2, starting with walks. Are you ready to take the first step towards a healthier life? Let's start simple but effective. The first 2 weeks are crucial to building a solid foundation. Don't worry, I'm not going to ask you to run right away. First, let's walk together. Objective for these first 2 weeks: condition your body for regular physical activity and start building endurance. Here's what you'll do. Day 1 to 3, go for a brisk walk for 20 minutes. Yes, just 20 minutes. But make sure to keep a good pace, enough to raise your heart rate and feel like you're exercising. You can listen to your favorite music or an interesting podcast to make the time fly by. Day 4 to 6. Now let's increase the time a bit. Walk briskly for 30 minutes. Try to do it at the same time each day to create a habit. Feeling good? Perfect. That means you're on the right track. Don't worry about speed. Focus on maintaining a steady and comfortable pace. Wear appropriate clothing and shoes for walking, and don't forget to hydrate before and after each session. Feeling demotivated? Think about why you started. Imagine crossing the finish line of your first 5 kilometers. Every step you take brings you closer to that goal. And most importantly, celebrate every little achievement. Remember, these 2 weeks are just the beginning. We are laying the foundation so you can run safely and effectively. So keep walking, stay motivated, and get ready for the next phase of your transformation. You can do it. Week 3 to 4, introducing the jog. So far, you've been walking at a good pace and your body is already adapting. It's time to take it to the next level. In the next 2 weeks, we will start introducing jogging. Don't worry, we'll go slow and increase gradually. Objective for these 2 weeks: combine walking and jogging to start building your running endurance. Here's your plan. Day 1 and 2, start with a brisk 5-minute walk to warm up. Then, alternate 1 minute of jogging with 2 minutes of walking. Repeat this cycle 5 times. Finish with a slow 5-minute walk to cool down. Day 3 and 4, start with a brisk 5-minute walk. Then, alternate 1.5 minutes of jogging with 2 minutes of walking. Repeat this cycle 4 times. Finish with a slow 5-minute walk. Day 5 and 6, start with a brisk 5-minute walk. Then, alternate 2 minutes of jogging with 1 minute of walking. Repeat this cycle 5 times. Finish with a slow 5-minute walk. Here are some important tips. Listen to your body. If you feel pain or too much fatigue, reduce the jogging and increase the walking. It's better to go slow and steady than rush and risk an injury. Maintain good posture while jogging. Look ahead, keep your shoulders relaxed and your arms at a 90-degree angle. This will help you run more efficiently and avoid unnecessary tension. Stay well hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial to maintaining your energy and aiding muscle recovery. Find your rhythm. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone has their own pace, and it's important to find yours. The important thing is that you feel comfortable and enjoy the process. Think about how far you've come in just 4 weeks. You're doing an incredible job, and your body will thank you. Every minute of jogging brings you closer to your goal of running 5 kilometers. Visualize the achievement. Feel the satisfaction of completing each session and keep going. You're halfway there, and you're doing great. Week 5 to 6, increasing the distance. Now it's time to increase the distance and duration of your jogging sessions. These weeks will be crucial for building the endurance you need to run 5 kilometers. Objective for these 2 weeks: gradually increase the jogging time and reduce the walking time. Here's the plan. Day 1 and 2. Start with a brisk 5-minute walk to warm up. Then, alternate 3 minutes of jogging with 1 minute of walking. Repeat this cycle 5 times. Finish with a slow 5-minute walk to cool down. Day 3 and 4. Start with a brisk 5-minute walk. Then, alternate 5 minutes of jogging with 1 minute of walking. Repeat this cycle 4 times. Finish with a slow 5-minute walk. Day 5 and 6. Start with a brisk 5-minute walk. Then, alternate 8 minutes of jogging with 1 minute of walking. Repeat this cycle 3 times. Finish with a slow 5-minute walk. Here are some important tips. Keep your motivation high. You can run in different places to change the scenery and keep the enthusiasm up. Listen to motivational music or podcasts while running. This can make the time go by faster and keep you entertained. Stretch well after each session. This will help prevent injuries and keep your muscles flexible. Eat well and rest properly. Good nutrition and rest are key for recovery and performance. Think about how far you've come. You're running longer and farther than you probably thought possible a few weeks ago. Every session is a step closer to your 5-kilometer goal. Keep it up, you're doing great. Week 7 to 8. Preparing for the 5K. You're almost there. Only 2 weeks left to run your first 5 kilometers. Now we will focus on consolidating everything you have learned and preparing you mentally and physically for the big day. Objective for these 2 weeks: run longer distances and further reduce the walking intervals. Here's your plan. Day 1 and 2. Start with a brisk 5-minute walk to warm up. Then, alternate 10 minutes of jogging with 1 minute of walking. Repeat this cycle 3 times. Finish with a slow 5-minute walk to cool down. Day 3 and 4. Start with a brisk 5-minute walk. Then, run for 20 minutes straight. If you need to walk for a minute, do it, but go back to running. Finish with a slow 5-minute walk. Day 5 and 6. Start with a brisk 5-minute walk. Then, run for 30 minutes straight. Try to maintain a steady pace. Finish with a slow 5-minute walk. Here are some important tips. Maintain good hydration and nutrition. Make sure you are well-nourished and hydrated before and after each session. Practice breathing techniques. Proper breathing will help you maintain energy and endurance during jogging. Visualize your success. Imagine crossing the finish line and the satisfaction of having achieved your goal. Rest well before the 5K day. Make sure to get enough sleep and avoid intense workouts just before the big day. You are only a few steps away from running your first 5 kilometers. Think about all the effort and dedication you have put in so far. Every session has strengthened and prepared you for this moment. You can do it. Run with confidence and enjoy the process. See you at the finish line. And that's it. Now you have a complete plan to go from not running at all to running your first 5 kilometers in just 8 weeks. I am sure you can achieve it. Just follow each step and keep your motivation high. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more content about running and wellness. Leave a comment below telling me how your training is going and any questions you have. See you in the next video.